My music, my soul. A song plays on the radio. My lips start to move. I sing along to the music. My fingers start to snap. My feet start to tap. The music goes deep into my soul. I listen to the music. It fills my brain. I remember when I used to sing for many people. I sang in front of big crowds. I loved it when they watched me. They clapped for me when I finished. I sang when I was sad, mad, happy, or glad. Singing helped me show my feelings. I sang in the shower. I sang in the rain. I sang at church. I sang walking down the street. Music has always been a big part of my life. I think I started playing the piano when I was a baby. I sat with my sister. She played the piano, and I learned how to sing with her. I grew up and listened to many singers. I learned from them and made my own sound. Music has been here since the beginning of time. It touches everyone in a different way. For me, it is a big part of who I am.